Welcome to the next video. Today we will bring you foods that help keep your kidneys healthy, very easy to make at home to take care of yourself. Please watch. The kidneys have the role of filtering harmful substances out of the blood and eliminating them from the body through urine. Always keeping the kidneys healthy to perform the task of filtering blood well will be the foundation for the body to function smoothly, enhancing the ability to fight disease. When the kidneys are healthy, the essence is abundant. The sperm quality is good, the physiological needs are stable, and the tendons and bones are strong. On the contrary, when the kidneys are weak, it leads to premature gray hair, back pain, tinnitus, and premature menopause. To take care of healthy kidneys, in addition to healthy living habits, supplementing nutrition to ensure adequate vitamins and minerals and limiting unhealthy foods is necessary. In this video, researchers highly appreciate kidney-nourishing foods that are recommended by nutritionists every day. Number 1. Foods rich in omega-3. Omega-3 is a healthy fatty acid that has anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. In addition, it also helps stimulate the healing process of kidney damage. Fatty fish such as mackerel, salmon, sardines, herring, are rich sources of omega-3 unsaturated fatty acids that are beneficial for kidney function. Omega-3 fatty acids have strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping to reduce the risk of damage to blood vessels in the kidneys. Supplementing this substance can help optimize blood flow in the kidneys, reducing proteinuria, a factor indicating kidney damage. The dosage of omega-3 recommended by doctors is as follows. Adults should consume 250 to 500 milligrams of EPA and DHA found in omega-3. Pregnant women consume 500 milligrams per day throughout pregnancy and can increase the dose at the end of pregnancy to provide enough omega-3 for the fetus to develop a better nervous system and brain. Number 2. Cherry. Cherries can be included in the diet for all stages of kidney disease. Cherries contain only small amounts of sodium and are low in phosphorus. Sweet cherries are high in potassium, greater than 200 milligrams in 3.5 ounces, or about half a cup, while tart cherries are considered a low-potassium food, less than 200 milligrams in 3.5 ounces. Cherry extract has been shown to help reduce uric acid levels in the blood and increase the excretion of uric acid in the kidneys when consumed at a dose of 0.17 g/kg of body weight. Cherries can add a sweet or sour flavor to salads, smoothies, savory dishes, and desserts. Including cherries in the diet may therefore help protect kidney function. Number 3. Shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms are foods that contain a lot of protein, vitamin B, manganese, fiber, and selenium, providing essential nutrients for the kidneys. In addition, shiitake mushrooms have a low phosphorus content, which is very suitable for people with kidney disease. If you have kidney disease and are looking for vegetarian food, shiitake mushrooms are the best choice. Shiitake mushrooms are a source of vitamin B for the body. This is an essential ingredient that helps enhance adrenal function as well as convert nutrients into energy for the body to function. Not only the tea, this type of mushroom also has the effect of balancing natural hormones, preventing brain disorders, increasing concentration, and improving cognition. Under the effect of ultraviolet rays in sunlight, ergosterol in shiitake mushrooms will convert into vitamin D2, a vitamin that helps strengthen bones. Shiitake mushrooms are one of the foods with high nutritional value that can be transformed into many delicious dishes. Some delicious dishes made from shiitake mushrooms that you should make at home are chicken stewed with shiitake mushrooms, dried shiitake mushrooms, and stir-fried squid with shiitake mushrooms. Number 4. Skinless chicken. Skinless chicken is a source of high-quality protein, low in saturated fat, and supports kidney function without overloading. Skinless chicken is a good source of protein for the kidneys because compared to traditional red meat, it contains less phosphorus. This is especially safe for the health of people with chronic kidney disease because for people with this disease, the kidneys often cannot function effectively to remove phosphorus from the blood, increasing the risk of hypocalcemia, osteoporosis, seizures, and cramps. It is the protein in chicken that allows the body to create substances that fight infections and maintain muscles. The best way to eat chicken is to eat the skinless, boneless meat. In general, skinless chicken is a good food for the kidneys. However, each meal, patients should only eat 70 to 1,000 grams per meal. Number 5. Egg whites. Health experts also recommend that people with kidney disease include egg whites in their daily diet. Egg whites are the best choice if you are managing kidney disease. Egg whites provide a high-quality, kidney-friendly source of protein that is low in phosphorus. Egg whites are especially recommended for people with kidney disease. They help you increase your protein levels, which can be important in later stages of chronic kidney disease, especially if you are on dialysis. Studies have shown that if dialysis patients were given one meal of egg whites per day instead of meat for about 6 weeks, they had improved blood phosphorus levels and slightly improved blood protein levels. Egg yolks can be healthy, but because of their high phosphorus content, egg whites are a much better choice for people with kidney disease. Healthy kidneys can remove phosphorus from the blood if levels are high, but diseased kidneys have difficulty removing excess phosphorus. When phosphorus builds up, it can deplete calcium from bones, making them weak and brittle. Number 6. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is rich in vitamin C, folate, and fiber, making it a healthy food for kidney health. The powerful cleansing and neutralizing properties of broccoli not only help flush out toxins from the body, but also help maintain the overall health of the kidneys and body. The antioxidants present in broccoli, such as indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates, protect the body from oxidation and act as a kidney-friendly food. You can prepare broccoli by sprinkling a little black pepper powder on boiled broccoli and enjoy it as a healthy evening snack. You can also add boiled broccoli to vegetables like lettuce, broccoli, and corn to make a nutritious and filling salad at home. Number 7. Garlic. People with kidney problems often have high levels of sodium in their bodies. Therefore, garlic will help replace spices in meals. Moreover, garlic has diuretic properties that help eliminate excess sodium from the body, which is good for the kidneys. Garlic is rich in vitamin C and vitamin B6, both of which have effective anti-inflammatory properties and help keep the kidneys healthy. Garlic is a food rich in the antioxidant allicin, which has been shown to be beneficial in regulating blood pressure and helping to improve kidney function related to kidney disease. Therefore, to protect kidney health, everyone should add garlic to their daily diet. We mentioned 7 foods that help keep your kidneys healthy that you should eat regularly. Hope you achieve the best. See you in the next video. There will be many useful things we wish for you and your loved ones. Goodbye, see you again.